Hiya friends, Otsu here, showing off this insanely cute and reasonably priced keyboard. This is the Akko 3087 World Tour Tokyo mechanical keyboard. It's the 87 key model with Akko 2nd gen pink switches. It's super cute and super quiet. The box it came in was adorable. Having so many pinks with a cute sakura tree, the box captures the keyboard aesthetic perfectly. The sleeve was the cutest part, but there was also a neat looking black box with a shiny purple Akko logo holding all the contents inside. When you first open the box, you'll see the keyboard on top with a little dust protector. We're just going to take that off and gently place it to the side. We didn't toss it or anything. And here she is. She's so adorable, we love her. Even the manual is cute. The rest of the box contains a pink cable to connect it to your PC, a keycap holder, and the decoration keycaps. I was so excited for these. Here they are, 6 adorable kitties, 4 Japan themed caps, and a koinobori for the inner key. My poor nails got so messed up while opening this. Look at how sad this is. Now let's pull these caps. She's done! I love this keyboard so much! It's genuinely beautiful! And here's a side-by-side comparison of the Akko keyboard and my old Razer Blackwidow Quartz keyboard. Compared to the Akko, Razer's is such a weird shape and so bland. And here's the type-in comparison. Skip to 255 if you only want to hear how the Akko sounds. But in my opinion, this keyboard was way too loud. It was notorious for waking up my boyfriend and being an overall nuisance. But I'm just not a fan of loud switches. The Akko is so quiet, the presses feel so soft and smooth, and it's overall a lovely experience in a keyboard. I would definitely recommend this keyboard to anyone who's a fan of pink or Japan or just enjoys quiet keyboards. Thanks for watching! I upload and stream as a VTuber every Monday and Friday, so like and subscribe for more otsu!